Have you ever imagined what would happen if we drill a tunnel through the entire planet from one side to the other? Let's explore a journey no human has ever taken. You start digging through a layer of rock, metal and molten lava. Temperatures rise beyond 5000 degrees Celsius, hotter than the sun's surface. Pressure increase thousands of times higher than Earth's surface. No material known to man could survive such heat and pressure. But let's imagine you made it to the center. Gravity would pull you toward the core, and then you would start falling toward the other side. You would speed up, reaching over 28,000 km per hour. Then slow down as you near the surface on the other end. If there's no friction, you would oscillate in lazy like a pendulum. But realistically, you would melt, be crushed, or get stuck forever. This isn't just a wild idea. It's a reminder that Earth is powerful, complex, and still full of mystery. We barely scratch the surface. At TruthVerse, we explore the impossible to make the truth exciting. Half of our revenue helps feed and heal those in need. Subscribe. Your curiosity can make a difference.